Okay. So, here's our doors. Our louver, Taylor, water heaters, all this jazz. So here is our wall. Keep clear. What do we got in here? So we got our controls panels. Maybe keep 3 feet clear in front. Here. Roof drains. Anything else? Okay. Right here, we can probably reuse that penetration. As we're seeing for the flows. Louver again. Maybe another of the flues. Taylor, where'd you go? What are you doing? I don't see a floor sink. I said, where'd you go? No, you. So, where'd you go? Do you see a floor sink? Anyway. Floor sink? Well, no. But there's a chance they didn't get rid of it. So, but that chance is looking real slim. Do we need one? Yes. So boilers here. We got flue. I don't see any VTR pipes. I don't know what that used to be. So maybe we can VTR there. Oh, there's a VTR. Right, there's a hole cut. Ugh. It kind of looks like a hole.
No, there's 2 pipes right here.
Oh, man. Am I blind?
Right there.
Yeah. Alright, so we got VTRs there. What they did, how they capped them, we'd have to look at the roof, but there appears to be 2 pipes there in the middle of the room. Boom, boom. We got soft water, domestic cold. There's the cot. Okay. We'll have to get this height. Can you measure the height under here and see if the feed water tank would fit under here?
Was it like 14?
I also brought the little bzz, bzz, if you want that guy. So I'm not seeing a floor sink, which is fine. We'll just have to add one. Unless it's like hiding over here. Oh. Nope. No floor sink. You'll enjoy that one. Oh, that's cold. Yeah, I'm not seeing any signs of a floor sink. Again, we got boiler controls here. I assume those don't really actually have anything right now. over here, what do we got to worry about? We got an air compressor. Osmosis. Floor sink here. Keep in mind, looks pretty full, but still. Another floor sink, pretty full. We're a little far away from our shenanigans. Woof. So yeah, we'll have to relocate a floor sink, but plan of attack. Boiler's here. Mm-hmm. Feed water tank? Mm-hmm. Fits?
Mm-hmm. 3.5 inches to spare.
3.5 inches to which part?
The beam.
Sorry.
So tilt this?
This guy.
Oh, I thought it was this one.
No, so that's the boiler. Boiler.
No, this. Oh, down.
Yep. Feed water tank.
Like 10 inches.
93.
No.
Won't fit.
Yeah, it'll barely fit. It'll have to be tilted. That beam is 7'5".
Okay.
Underneath is 8 foot.
Okay.
So 8 foot is what? 96.
So 3 inches to spare. If we put it under there.
Yeah, it's 96. So
Okay.
big less than, yeah.
Okay. So we got inches to spare. Got to tilt it in.
Mm-hmm.
Or you just install the kit, that line, later.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we just push it
Yeah,
in,
because if we had this,
install
we'd be
that
fine.
line underneath once everything's there. Okay. We do have another VTR right there. That's Old Faithful, I believe. We'll need VTRs for the pressure reliefs, the feed water tank, the blowdown tank, and I believe that's it. Any other pressure reliefs we'll have to also have. We can put the blowdown tank either over here, or no, we want the blowdown tank in this general area. We'll have to put a new floor sink in somewhere. Probably not near this. You know, with those footings, we'll have to take a look at structure, I guess. We'll have to see where that line was currently routing through here. And where we can tie into it. There might be a decent amount of excavation trying to get through here. The nearest floor sink otherwise in this line is right here, right? I mean, in theory, if we can clear away some of this stuff, we could tie into this. It's just, they would have to keep a path right here clear to the boiler so that we could route the blowdown lines to here. So that's an option if we truly, you know, need to save money. They just lose some storage right here. But I guess the thought process could be, if this is where this floor sink is, you know, follow this line somewhere along here is that waste line that used to go to that other floor sink over here. Anything else? We don't need a PRV station. Don't need. We could if we need, you know, if we want to. But at this time, I don't think we need a PRV